Good morning to all. My name is Saraswati Chakre. I'm, I'm from Maulana Azad College of Computer Science Department. I'm studying in MSc Computer Science second year. My seminar topic is Current Trends in Natural Language Processing, prepared by under the guidance of Dr. Nazneen Akhtar ma'am. Contents in my presentation. Now, introduction to NLP. It's not easy to train machines on how humans communicate. In recent years, numerous technological innovations have enabled computers to recognize language the way we humans do. The field is divided into three parts. First is speech recognition, the translation of spoken language into text. Second, natural language understanding, the computer's ability to understand what we say. Third, natural language generation, the generation of natural language by a computer. What is NLP? Natural language processing is a combination of artificial intelligence with computer science. It allows you to create a smooth interaction between computers and human languages. A usual interaction between machines and humans using natural language processing could go as follows. Humans talk to the computer captures the audio. There is an audio to text conversion. Text data is processed, data is converted to audio, and the computer plays the audio file and responds to humans. Example of NLP. Siri is a classic example of natural language processing. Applications of NLP. First, sentiment analysis. It is used to discovering people opinions, emotions and feelings about a product or service. Second is chatbots and virtual assistants. Chatbots and virtual assistants are used for automatic answering, designed to understand natural language and deliver an appropriate response. Third is machine translation. Machine translation is one of the first application of natural language processing. Machine translation is the translation of text or speech by a computer with no human involvement. Fourth is speech recognition. Speech recognition technology uses natural language processing to transform spoken language into a machine readable format. Advantages of NLP. Users can ask questions about any subject and get a direct response within. NLP system provides answers to the questions in natural language. NLP system offers exact answers to the questions, no unnecessary or unwanted information. The accuracy of the answers increases with the amount of relevant information provided in the question. NLP process helps computers communicate with humans in their language and scales other language related tasks. Finally, conclusion. NLP is one of the growing technologies with constant innovation and research going on in this field. It is only expected to grow in the future. NLP offers good prospects and is a high paying field. Thank you.